Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going over HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And HTML is a standard markup language for documents to be displayed in a web browser. So basically meaning any website you've seen is made using HTML. And contrary to popular belief, HTML is not a programming language, because it lacks basic features that programming languages have, like functions, variables, logic, and much more. Actually, HTML is a markup language that uses angled brackets to define the main structure of a web page. So let's take a look at a simple web page that has a title and some text. As you can see in this example, HTML is pretty unified and tidy, so it kind of follows some rules which makes it more readable. Although this code is tidy, but it can also be written in this form as well, which doesn't really look the best, and it's quite hard to differentiate which part of the code we're looking at. In HTML, there are many tags that do different and specific things. Let's go over some of the common HTML tags used. There are a series of tags that relate styling and formatting of text. Firstly, we have the B tag, which stands for bold. This tag is pretty straightforward, as whatever text you input between these two tags, you would automatically make it bold. After that, we have a tag which can italicize any text you put into it, which is the I tag. And all these tags have the same syntax, but the name of the tag and what goes in them are a bit different. We also have another text formatting tag that is underline, which is represented by the U tag. This would underline all the words within the tag. Another tag that is used commonly in HTML to display text is the P tag, which stands for paragraph. And this might be a bit weird, because if you just type out a paragraph without any tags in HTML, it would still show it. But what the P tag does, it automatically actually applies a single blank space before and after each P element. We can also use text tags for different purposes, like headings in HTML. There are 6 different types of heading sizes, running from H1 all the way to H6, and all of them are in descending order of size. So what you would do is just write H1, for example, and put the text inside it, and it automatically applies the heading size to the text. Alright, so those were some text tags that you can use to format your text in HTML. But now let's move on to a few more tags which are used for displaying data in a list. Alright, so that was the basics of HTML. There's also a lot more useful tags out there, but the purpose of this video was just to familiarize you with the basics of how HTML works. If you want to know more tags and more information on HTML, you can visit the links down in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye!